What's going on, guys? It's Petrol Juice here, and today I'm going to give you a really quick video on how to turn your Kia Forte GT looking cheapo to cleano. These are reflective pillars for the Kia Forte. I mean, this works on any Forte, it doesn't have to be the GT, but these basically go right over here and help it make it look a little bit more premium. I personally think these look a little cheap, so it should make a big difference. So let's get started. The link for this will be in the description, and it comes in, I believe, 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rear one covers this whole spot. So you get some alcohol wipes. I recommend washing the car beforehand, which I already did. Just wipe down the spots that you'll be attaching everything to. Seems like I don't really need much. I'm gonna wipe it down anyway. So these are just really cheap pieces. Doesn't really matter though. First thing you wanna do is check which piece goes where. So I believe this one goes here. Looks like it fits directly. So we're gonna keep that for the front. This will be for the other side. And this one fits perfectly right here. All right, so we're gonna get started. The easiest way to put any sticker on your car after lining it up the best you can is putting a piece of tape there to hold it. But I think I'm just gonna free ball it. So I keep it about right there. I think I wanna hold it from the bottom and just start from the top. I think this is a perfect start. It is a windy day. It's not the best day to do it, but we're gonna make the best of it. I've been waiting for it to be hot out to do this. Alrighty, so I test fitted it before. I know that I basically wanna be almost touching the bottom for it to align perfectly. I definitely messed this up. That's all right though. You live and you learn. Oh shoot. I definitely messed this up. I should start paying people to work on my car. But what's the fun in that, right? You live and you learn like this. So there is a protective coating right over these pieces, so it won't be this scratched up once we take it off. All right, we're gonna let that chill there for a bit and move on to the other pieces. I'm gonna speed this video up. Here we go. What a difference. Jeez. These will get scratched up nice and easily. So worth it though. It already looks 20 times better. Yeah, damn. Look at that. That is a night and day difference. It already looks like a more quality car than the frickin' matte that was on it. Looks a lot better. Let's compare that with the other side. Huge difference. Huge difference. Look at that. Before and after. It makes a huge difference. All right, so this is the video for putting on the gloss black pillars on your Forte or any other car that you'd like. Link will be in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you like these cheap upgrades for the Fortes. They make a difference. They're cheap enough and they make me happy. I'll check you out in the next video. See you guys later.